Hi guys, and welcome to Tech for Rec. Give me 1 second. You're gonna see me pop right out through the screen over here. But today, I'm about to let you know how important it is to wait a few hours before you post content or video again on YouTube and on these platforms. And why is it important? And should you start YouTube? And how can you generate an income on YouTube? Is YouTube too saturated? Should you start today or should you start tomorrow? Should you post every day? That and a whole lot more on Tech for Rec. Boom! So, should you be uploading videos like back to back on YouTube, like constantly? Like, if you put a video up today, should you put a video up again, let's say in 20 minutes? How would the machine respond? How would YouTube respond to you doing that? If you don't know me by now and you're new here, I've gained thousands of subscribers on various pages in minimal amount of time, and I've helped other people gain a significant large amount of subscribers and views on YouTube and on other platforms, mainly YouTube, within a matter of days. This is all facts. You can check out our other channel called On the Lockout. ON space THE space lockout together, right? Where I talk about my story, my life, and everything I've been through in the world and in the streets of New York. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe, comment. We answer back all comments myself. Back to you and how important it is for you to be posting, and should you post on a constant basis? No. My advice and on what works for me and what I've known and heard from a lot of other people that been on YouTube just as long as I have, and probably longer, which I've been on and off on YouTube for approximately 11 years. Facts. Boop, gotta put these because we might mess up, right? So I wait usually 12 hours before I post again. I go by the old rules, right? This is what happens. Every time you post, you receive a content ID for that specific content, for that specific video, right? So if you're giving something too much of something, you confuse it. So the machine, the algorithm, whatever the bots, YouTube itself, it does not respond well to two content IDs back to back. It's confusing. You make them be all over the place. Boop. So what I do, 12 hours always work for me. Or I'll post today, and then I know people want to get it in. You can probably do that once you're a subscriber and like you post and you're getting like thousands of views immediately, right? So then that's like you doing it on your own. In the beginning, my suggestion would be that you play by the rules, and it's like wait a few hours. I still wait 12 before I post, and at times I may do like 10 and 10, something like that. And I tried different things lately so then I could communicate with you guys and let you know what's been working for me so that it works for you, hopefully, right? Is YouTube too saturated? Is it too late for you to start YouTube? You find yourself without work. You find yourself at home with a lot of time on your hand. No, it's never too late to start YouTube. YouTube is for everybody. It's not for one specific group of people. It's not just for people telling stories. It's not just for people doing tech. It's not for just people explaining how to or everything YouTube. It is for everything. Whatever you can come up with, there's going to be an audience out there for it. You know, you have a lot of things. You can find content from just watching content. You don't have to copy exactly what the guy is doing, but you can get ideas, right? And you can become very creative. And a lot of times YouTube is a lifesaver. It helps you. It's like therapy in a way, right? That's the way I take it. For me, it's helped me a whole lot in my life. And yeah, you need to not worry about the income and monetizing your channel. There's millions of ways to generate a passive income on YouTube, or just the income period. And that's going to come gradually. That's going to happen on its own like magic. Boom, right? But once you start doing it because your main focus is money, it's not going to work. And you're going to remember that I said this. Do it because it's something you want to do. You're passionate, and put your mindset and post. And when you get tired of posting, guess what you do? Right, exactly that. You post again. You're going to thank me later. You're special. You should be posting right now. Record yourself. I started with a phone with no microphone, no nothing. Just like that, posting and putting it up. No editing, no nothing, raw. And I still don't edit. I may put the back. I may change a few things here and there. But as far as like when I make a mistake with words and all, like fix it or do the video over, we ain't doing all that. You know, and I think people respect that more. Like that you don't go full Hollywood. I don't know, like straight from the beginning. People know it's a struggle. Look, one of the main things you're gonna see here on these platforms is that people put their Cash App, their PayPals, and you may be like, "Oh, they asking for money?" No, it's everybody does it because people support. They want to see you make it, right? They watching you. They into your channel. You help them in their everyday life. You'll be surprised the power of some influencers and YouTubers, and you too can gain that and have that in your life. Walking out every day to work, taking the train is going to be a thing of the past. Not everybody's going to be able to go immediately right to work right now. With all this and the protests and people outside, the pandemic is about to get worse. There's people out there with no mask, touching each other, breathing all over each other, and forgetting that we were already fighting a fight against something that we cannot see. So should you get on YouTube? Yes, tonight, as soon as you get up in the morning, you should be thinking everything YouTube. You're going to thank Tech4Rec. And there's a lot of free applications that you can use. What I do is to make your intro, you don't have to make an intro. Sometimes the intro is like too much. A lot of people do it. If you want to, there's an app called Intro Maker. It's free for Android. Do it on your phone. I started with a phone. You do everything on your phone. Record on your phone. You don't need a computer. You don't need nothing to start your YouTube page. You connect once you start to connect your bank and all that to it. Once you're able to monetize your channel and they approve you for the partner program and you send them your social security and everything, because it is on the books. For those that thought it wasn't like a real job, it is. Welcome to work. It's just you're working online. But your check gets deposited to your bank, depending on where you live. New York gets deposited to your bank. So could you live off an income off of YouTube? Sure, it was made for that. It was made to generate an income. Not everybody is just on here playing or that has a story. A lot of people do different types of content. I decided to make this channel so I can help people grow and motivate people into starting a YouTube channel. Billions of content hours are being posted every day on YouTube. Why shouldn't yours? Make a 20-minute video, verify your channel. Because if you make a 5-minute video, your channel's not verified. It's going to tell you cannot post this video because you're not verified. Put everything legit, your phone number, your real name, the name of the channel, what have you, right? Make sure you think your name of your channel over very well, because you can't change. Once you change it again, you can't change it again for 90 days. Don't make it too long, a whole sentence. People ain't typing all that to look for that. Yeah, my name is I be trying to help people around the world, and I also like a whole sentence. Like, bro, try to make it simple but that it's catchy, and you're gonna love the process. And if there's anything that I can help you out with, you can hit me at tech4rec@gmail.com, and we'll talk about it there. And keep in mind that at the end of the day, you don't have to start a channel like telling stories, your life. It could be how-to videos. It could be anything. You could be talking about life in general. You could be telling stories that will happen in your life. You could have a message of hope, prosperity, motivation. I don't know. But what you have to do, and what I do know, is that you have to take the first step and just doing it. and posting and breaking through that feed. I had not posted for quite a while on this channel, and I got some awesome content that I'm gonna post after this video. But I too wanted to get back in the habit of posting on this channel. You understand? So I motivate you guys motivate me. So don't think I'm just some nut coming on here and I've never gained a few thousand subscribers. No way. I've been on YouTube. This is just another channel that I started to help people that are trying to generate an income on YouTube and grow on YouTube and don't know how to. The apps that I use, free apps, you already know. For my art, PixMonkey is good. These are free apps. OBS, you already know, it's the awesome. StreamYard for the lives. It's a lot of free. They got a free version also. KenMaster, Power Direct. These are things that are gonna help you along the way. But first, you have to post. You're special. You should be making content. It's good to watch, but you need to become the creator. You're special, you're smart, you could do it. Let me see you leave in the comments that you started your channel early in the morning after you saw this, few minutes after you saw this. And let me know what else you would like us to talk about, what else you would like to know that I could teach you. I got a lot more content coming out. Just wanted to stop by and say hello and get back in the, conditioned into posting on this channel again. Facts. So, with that being said, you already know this is Tech for Rec. TEK, the number 4, REK. We're going to be doing a whole lot of giveaways, microphones, phones, a lot of equipment. I'm going to be announcing it for those guys that need it. If you live nearby, I'll even drop it off. However it may be, however we could work it out. We're here to help. Comment, subscribe, hit the like button. Whatever it may be, whatever it takes to support each other, let's do that. YouTube is for everyone. You already know. Tech for Rec. Stay tuned for more content.